Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we are diving deep into the medical device registration process in Malaysia, a key strategic market within the ASEAN region. The governing body here is the Medical Device Authority, or MDA. The very first and most critical step for any foreign manufacturer is to appoint a Malaysian Authorized Representative, or AR. This is not just a formality. Your AR is legally responsible for your device in the country, manages the registration submission, and acts as the primary contact for the MDA. You cannot register a device in Malaysia without one. Once you have your AR, the next step is device classification. Malaysia uses a 4-tier risk-based system, from Class A for low-risk devices to Class D for the highest-risk products. This classification directly determines your registration pathway and the required documentation. For example, a Class A device requires a relatively straightforward notification process, but devices in Classes B, C, and D require full registration and a more comprehensive technical dossier. This dossier is compiled into what is known as a CSDT, or Common Submission Dossier Template. All applications are submitted electronically through the Medical Device Centralized Online Application System, known as MedDA. It's a system that requires specific formatting and careful data entry. A major European manufacturer recently faced a 3-month delay simply because their technical documents, while complete, were not structured correctly for the MedCat portal's requirements. For devices in Class C and D, and even some in Class B, a conformity assessment by a registered conformity assessment body, or CAB, is mandatory. This is a technical review of your documentation and quality management system, like ISO 13485, to ensure compliance with Malaysian regulations. Finally, gaining registration is not the end of the journey. The MDA has robust post-market surveillance and vigilance requirements. You must report adverse events and maintain your registration, which is typically valid for 5 years. Navigating these steps, from appointing the right AR to managing the life cycle of your product, requires deep local expertise. For comprehensive support on entering the Malaysian market, you can email or visit Chen-Global.